All right. But right here is the tool that'll save you while you're trying to put your hydraulic hoses on. I got this from Skid Steer Solutions. They didn't pay me anything. I bought this for, I think it was $110 after shipping and everything. It's worth every penny of what I paid, because it doesn't take but 1 or 2 times with frustration with these hydraulic hoses that you wish you had it. And this is one of those times for me. So I've got these hoses today, and both of them are giving me a little bit of trouble. So what I'll demonstrate right quick, all I have to do is take this and then hook it right here. And just to demonstrate, I'm gonna show you. I cannot, for the life of me, get that. I am trying my best, and I cannot get it on. So I'm gonna show you how easy this is. It's a regular Irvin clamp. It's been made for years, but they've modified it and got the steel ends on it, and it is fantastic. And all I have to do, as you'll see, get it lined up here. Whoops. And there it is. And that one is connected and it's tight. All right. The other one, I had the same problems with it. I'm not faking it. I actually cannot get it in there. So again, it's live, it's not edited. Let me widen this back out. And again, these people didn't pay me 1 penny to tell you about this, but I think it's such a great product that everyone should know about it. Come around here, let's show this, Barbara. Let me get it lined up. And there it goes. It's snapped on there. And how easy is that? How many times have you guys wished you'd had something that neat, that easy? I keep this with the equipment all the time now. I've had this for about 3 or 4 months. Wish I'd had it years ago, because I have replaced these ends several times thinking the end was completely bad, and all it was, it just needed to have something like this to help it out. So I highly recommend, because it doesn't take but 1 set of hose ends to the cost of this. And so if any of you guys, watch that bee. There's a bee right there.
I know it.
Shake that bee off. Watch it.
He's after me.
He's after you. All right, all right.
I think it's a yellow jacket.
It
It's
was.
not a bee.
Yeah, but anyway, I highly recommend this Irvin Quick Connect for these hydraulic hoses. And we're going to stop before we get eat up by a yellow jacket out here. We've evidently got a yellow jacket somewhere. So thought I would show you this. Highly, highly, highly recommend it. Best invention I've seen in a long time.